Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to install aftermarket Android head unit in one of this Ford Ranger PX. So I already took out this head unit. It's quite simple to take this out. It just got few connectors on the edges. These connectors here. So yeah, just start prying around and take this out. These three connectors, press them and take them out. So now we're going to remove this central head unit. We're going to remove that top screen as well. So it's time to explain the wiring. And this is the power harness came with this head unit. So if you don't find this connector, way to connect it, don't worry about this, because there is two variants in this Ford Ranger. So this might one be for another one, the model with the bigger screen, I guess. And if you have a factory reverse camera, this is the connector you can use with that. So the main plug will goes to the main radio plug, which we just took out. So just connect it in there. And this small connector, which we have small LCD screen, so yeah, just plug and play. These three wires, don't worry about key 1 and key 2. You are not gonna use it, so don't worry about any of these wires. Just leave them as is. And we'll run the USB cables. It doesn't have any other USB factory USB port, so we are not going to use this cable here as well to retain the factory USB port, but we don't have, so we'll just run our cables for USB from here to this glove box here there. So once let me finish this up all wiring, and I'll show you after, and I'll also show you how to program our CAN bus adapter. So this is the old fascia, and don't forget to take out these connectors, or sorry, the adapters on top of these connectors. So you have to remove them and shift them on the newer one. The newer one doesn't come with these adapters. So there is plastic adapter, take them out and shift on to the new one, so it can sit there properly. So here all the connectors being connected. This is your first one is reverse camera connector, second two are the USB ones, more important this CAN bus connector here, and this is your multimedia connector, which just we are at the moment going to connect our microphone, and GPS antenna we just installed in there. So this is all connected, and at the end we will connect this power connector. So yeah, just going to turn it up and we'll see if we do need to. So we have finished the installation. So these all AC control switches, that's only we have to shift in this fascia here. This hazard light switch, which is working, came with this head unit, so you just have to connect it. Lock switch is working, so you won't able to retain the small screen in there, because otherwise your steering wheel control buttons won't work. So checking steering wheel control buttons, yes, they are working. Only thing, your radio, your Bluetooth switch to pick up your phone call and reject your phone call, they're not gonna work. And has a wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well. What other thing we have? Yeah, in case if your steering wheel control buttons not working, make sure you have connected your CAN bus connector at back, and also check in factory setting the pin code is 1617, and then go to CAN type setting. On CAN type settings, make sure it's selected race Ford, then Ranger, and 2018. So, no need to save it. We have installed reverse camera with this as well, and that's the reverse camera. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.